The analysis conducted by NASA has officially declared 2023 as the warmest year on record, solidifying its place in climate history. Greetings and salutations to everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing NASA's confirmation that 2023 has been officially declared the warmest year on record. Global temperatures during this year were approximately 2.1 degrees Fahrenheit above NASA's baseline period average. Notably, each month from June to December broke records for their respective months, with July standing out as the hottest month ever recorded. The primary driver behind this exceptional warming phenomenon is the emission of fossil fuels, which has resulted in various consequences such as heat waves, intense rainfall, and coastal flooding. Both NASA and the Biden-Harris administration are actively engaged in safeguarding our planet and its inhabitants. Leveraging their unique perspective from space, NASA continues to collect critical climate data and share it with the world. Now, without any further delay, let us begin our discussion. We are currently facing a climate crisis, as confirmed by the Global Temperature Report from NASA and NOAA, stated Bill Nelson, the administrator of NASA. The experiences of billions of individuals worldwide align with this assessment. Our planet is undergoing noticeable changes, including extreme heat, wildfires, and rising sea levels. While there is still much work to be done, President Biden and communities throughout America are taking unprecedented measures to mitigate climate risks and enhance community resilience. NASA, utilizing its unique perspective from space, will continue to collect and disseminate crucial climate data that is both comprehensible and accessible to all. The collaboration between NASA and the Biden-Harris administration aims to safeguard our home planet and its inhabitants, not only for the present generation, but also for future generations to come. Throughout 2023, an unprecedented number of individuals worldwide endured scorching temperatures, resulting in each month from June to December establishing new global records for their respective timeframes. Notably, July emerged as the hottest month ever documented. In total, the Earth's temperature in 2023 surpassed the late 19th century average, the starting point for contemporary record keeping, by approximately 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit, or roughly 1.4 degrees Celsius. According to Gavin Schmidt, the director of GIS, the current warming trend is unprecedented in human history. This remarkable increase in temperature is primarily caused by our reliance on fossil fuels, and its consequences are evident in the form of heat waves, heavy rainfall, and flooding in coastal areas. Despite the conclusive evidence provided by scientists regarding the planet's long-term warming trend being attributed to human activity, they continue to investigate other factors that may impact annual or multi-year climate variations, including El Niño, aerosols and pollution, and volcanic eruptions. The primary cause of annual fluctuations is typically the El Niño, southern oscillation, a climate pattern in the Pacific Ocean. This pattern consists of two distinct phases, namely El Niño and La Niña, during which the equatorial sea surface temperatures alternate between warmer, average, and cooler conditions. Over the period from 2020 to 2022, the Pacific Ocean experienced 3 consecutive occurrences of La Niña, which have a tendency to lower global temperatures. However, in May 2023, the ocean underwent a transition from La Niña to El Niño, which often corresponds with the hottest years ever recorded. Before the peak of the ongoing El Niño event, the exceptionally high temperatures in the latter part of 2023 were recorded. It is anticipated by scientists that the most significant effects of El Niño will be observed during the months of February, March, and April. The eruption of the undersea volcano Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai in January 2022 prompted scientists to explore its potential impacts. By releasing water vapor and fine particles known as aerosols into the stratosphere, the volcano had an interesting effect. A recent study discovered that these volcanic aerosols, by reflecting sunlight and preventing it from reaching Earth's surface, resulted in a minor cooling effect of less than 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit, or approximately 0.1 degrees Celsius, in the southern hemisphere after the eruption. Schmidt expressed that unless greenhouse gas emissions decrease, we will consistently surpass previous records despite occasional mitigating factors such as volcanoes or aerosols. Regrettably,
we have recently established a new milestone for greenhouse gas emissions. The importance of immediate and ongoing efforts to combat climate change is highlighted by the unprecedented achievements of 2023, stated Pam Melroy, NASA's Deputy Administrator.
Recent laws have resulted in the largest ever financial commitment by the US government to address the climate emergency, with billions of dollars dedicated to enhancing America's ability to withstand the growing consequences of this crisis. As an organization dedicated to studying the evolving climate, NASA will continue to utilize its array of Earth observation satellites to gather vital data about our planet, empowering individuals worldwide to make well-informed choices. Witness the power of open science in motion. The compilation of NASA's temperature record involves the utilization of surface air temperature data obtained from a vast network of meteorological stations, along with sea surface temperature data gathered through instruments on ships and buoys. To ensure accuracy, the data is subjected to analysis techniques that consider the diverse distribution of temperature stations worldwide and the potential influence of urban heating on the calculations. The latest examination, conducted separately by the NOAA and the Hadley Centre, a division of the United Kingdom Met Office, has determined that the global surface temperatures in 2023 reached unprecedented levels, surpassing all previous records in modern history. While these esteemed scientists utilize similar temperature data for their analyses, their methodologies differ. Despite minor variations in rankings, both datasets concur on the consistent and persistent long-term warming trend observed in recent decades. Utilizing over 50 years of research, observations, and models, the Biden-Harris administration, in conjunction with NASA and various federal collaborators, has recently introduced the U.S. Greenhouse Gas Center. This initiative aims to provide essential climate data to policymakers and the public, building upon a foundation of shared knowledge. By fostering cooperation among government agencies, non-profit organizations, and private enterprises, the Center ensures that a comprehensive range of air, ground, and space data and resources are easily accessible through online platforms. The comprehensive collection of global surface temperatures up until 2023, along with the methodology employed by NASA scientists to carry out the analysis, can be accessed by the public through GIS. GIS, a NASA facility overseen by the Earth Sciences Division at the Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, maintains an association with Columbia University's Earth Institute and School of Engineering and Applied Science in New York. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.